So, so after this observation of Hertz, Einstein tried to explain all these observations. So let's see what Einstein argued and how this all observation done by all experiment done by Hertz can be explained by Einstein equation. So we have seen that the first curve is IV curve, and this IV curve, I is current and V is potential, and we have plotted for the same frequency and different intensity, different I. What is the curve? The curve is very interesting, and we have seen that this particular stopping potential is not going to change if we are going to changing that intensity. But what we have seen, we have also seen that if we are we are keeping that same intensity and different frequency, then this is again IV curve. I is current, V is potential. So this curve has something like this. And this is, let's say this is nu 3, this is nu 2, this is nu 1, V, and let's say this is VS1, VS2, VS3, and we have also seen that VS3 is greater than VS2 is greater than VS1 in terms of magnitude. So nu 3 is also greater than nu 2 is also greater than nu 1. Einstein go one step ahead, and what he plot basically Vs versus frequency. And once he plot Vs versus frequency, he got a very interesting result, and he got the result is something for this. Let's say this value is nu 01. Why I am saying this is nu 01? Because he just plot this curve for different metal. So this is for metal 1, and this metal is all about metal of this emitter, and again for the different metal, let's say this is metal 2, he have same kind of curve Vs versus frequency, but this time what he has difference nu naught. Means for this metal, if frequency is greater than nu naught 1, and let's say this is nu naught 2, if frequency is the greater than nu naught 1, then only current will appear, and then we can just plot this Vs for that particular potential when current is going to stop. So he just plot nu versus nu in along x-axis, y along Vs, and what he find? He find this angle is same. He changed the metal. This value is going to change. This particular value is going to change, and but this angle, the slope of this straight line, and this curve is approximately a straight line, and this slope is same. So this is very interesting, and we have also make conclusion that this Vs will be related to maximum kinetic energy. Only those electron will cross the barrier whose kinetic energy is more. We have understood this thing. So Einstein told us this will be equivalent to kinetic energy Ke maximum, and this is also Ke maximum. How we can explain it? This is very interesting, but yes, we can at least make the conclusion that kinetic energy of this photoelectron, whatever with the electron is coming out, is known as photoelectron. It will dependent on this frequency. So how we can explain it? Einstein gave the mind-blowing idea. Einstein said that in this metal, the electron will be bounded in some this type valley. So this electron will come out, and let's say this is the minimum potential. So this electron will come out when this electron will get minimum potential of V naught. Suppose somehow we can give this energy to this electron, this will come out to this valley if this electron will have minimum potential V naught, and if it has more than potential, more than energy V naught or more, then it can come out and it will become free, and then current will produce. What Einstein said, that when photon will come to this particular electron, this electron will absorb the photon and get the kinetic energy. And Einstein said that light is not a wave, it is not just an electromagnetic wave, just this is just behave like a massless particle, and which is identified as photon. So photon is all about massless particle. He gave the concept of massless particle. And what he said, that massless particle is coming and it is just hit this electron, and once it is hitting the electron, electron absorbs the energy of this massless particle, and then he get excited and he get the kinetic energy. But we will measure the current only when electron will come out this valley. And Einstein said that this particular potential, the minimum potential for which the current can be found, are known as threshold potential. What Einstein said? Einstein said that minimum potential or minimum energy, minimum potential for which, so minimum potential or energy for which photoelectric effect take place is known as threshold frequency. Threshold or work